is a Romanian-American company established in 1995. We started from 6 employees and a turnover of $100,000, and now in only 6 years of activity, let's say, it has more than 76 employees and a turnover of $2 million. During these years, we developed a full portfolio of products. There are 9 applications from shelf cells, and we also have a department that is making outsourced, and our main markets for these outsourced products are United States and Belgium and Israel. Another activity of our company is to be the only representative for Romania of Primavera, which is the worldwide leader, let's say, in project management. And in order to promote all our activities and our products, we decided this year to have an active presence, let's say, in different exhibitions. So we were in March in Tebit, where we promoted our outsourcing part, and now we just complete these activities. We came here to serve, to promote our product developed for Romania. Charisma was the only product presented there in Tebit, and it was somehow appreciated, let's say, because it's a fully integrated human resource and payroll system. And we'll see. This year, well, maybe we'll participate also in other serves in other cities of Romania. We don't have a national distribution network, so that's why it's good to go by ourselves there to present our products.